Good afternoon, everybody. It's never a note day for me down here early this morning and working on the ash from yesterday and hoping to get it done today. So getting yeah, it's pretty tight yet. So my friend Trevor came by today, and this one's gone next week. It's a little 40-pound horse boat. And he brought me a fiberglass bowl. He wants the string put on it, so I'll get that one done for him. And then he wants a couple more. So this is one I found in the forest. Some kids were actually started to burn it, so it's kind of fire hardened in the middle, which is going to be all right. So you're working on that one. And then I got a few more over there. Been busy. So see you soon.